Hello guys, as you can see I'm in the avocado tree. We just plucking the avocados down. You can see the distance I am from the down there. My family down there. Don't know if you can have a look at them properly. But as you can see, what a man can do, a woman can also do. Look at my wife over there.
I can do it like a monkey. You see, I'm on a tree trying to get avocados.
Yeah, very far. You can see the distance where the ground is. Yeah, that's how we do it. If you want to join the OLSP system, it just only goes for $7. Yeah, my wife can tell you something about the OLSP system.
Imagine you got 7 strips, making you money daily, going wherever you want with your family, every free time with your family. That's how we do it. Join us. Let's go together. Let's make money together and build the future. Thank you.
Standing tall in the avocado.
Let me remove the avocados.
All you need is a cell phone and internet connection. With only just 2 hours in a single day. Imagine.
You keep saying you don't have money. How can you say that when you have your phone, when you have social media? How now?
Get serious, guys.
And we grow together.
Yeah, if you want to join us, just drop the comment below. Ask how to go about it, and we're just gonna guide you step by step. Thank you, guys. Let's do some avocados here.